Say, can I ask you a personal question? How's your grout doing? Well, the grout in my shower was beginning to look a little bit nasty, so I bought Polyblend Grout Renew. Now for today's quick tip, I want to talk about how it works, does it work, and how it holds up after 6 months. I begin by rinsing off the walls and applying this recommended grout haze remover. I'm brushing it on using this soft copper wire brush. It's tedious, take your time. If I had to do it over again, I would just spray the grout with vinegar and let it sit overnight. Rinse off the walls again. I'm pouring off the coloring product into a separate container so it's easier to work with. I started off by using this stiff, shorter brush, then I found it better to use a softer, smaller brush that fits better into the crack. Again, very tedious. Brush off any overspill with your finger or a rag. In some areas it looked so thin that I had to apply a second coat, but I think it came out pretty good. The second question that I set out to answer was, does it work? Does this stuff really renew your grout? Well, the word renew is a bit of a stretch, but not much. It does offer a big improvement. Now, if you've got places in the grout that are chipped or broken, you're gonna have to fill those first before applying the colorant in order to get a nice, even, finished look. Well, I'm back in the shower after 6 months. Wait a minute, that sounds like I only shower every 6 months. Anyway, I did want to make a few comments about Polyblend after 6 months. First of all, it holds up pretty well. This looks almost the same as it did 6 months ago when I put it on. It goes on a bit like paint, but it does seem to soak into the grout, and it has mold inhibitors, which seems to help as well. A little does go a long way. I've got this bottle, it's still over half full. Of course, read all the instructions before you use it for yourself. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll try not to wait 6 months before my next shower.